How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to review a wireless microphone that goes for around £5 or £2.50 on AliExpress. The one I have uses USB Type-C, and I can use this microphone with my laptop, with my tablet, with my smartphone for recording audio, as well as with my PC if it has a Type-C input. And yes, you can use Android devices or smartphones. The new iPhones as well, they have a Type-C input, and you can use this microphone with all these devices. Right now I'm recording in Audacity, and it's plugged in my PC on the Type-C port on the front, and I'm recording in 96 kHz 32-bit, and I've got it clipped to my shirt, and this is how it sounds. I'm going to be using this for the voiceover on this video. So let's start off with the unboxing. You do get the microphone and one receiver. It comes with a user manual and a USB charging cable. If you look closely at the microphone, you can see it has an LED. It has a Type-C on the transmitter, the microphone, and that's how you charge it. Now the power button is on the back, and you can hold it down and it turns the microphone on. When the microphone is on, it has a green LED. Now the microphone does have a reverb function, which you can activate by double pressing the power button while the microphone is on, and the LED will go red and the audio will have reverb. Let's go over the specifications. The transmission distance is 7 meters with something in between, so if there's a barrier in between, you will get 7 meters of range, which is not a lot. And otherwise, if there is nothing in between, if you have a direct line of signal, you will get approximately 20 meters. The charging time is around about 1 hour and a half, and the working time is 6 hours. In my opinion, for £5, this is a really good upgrade over the built-in audio you will find on laptops as well as smartphones, and also on PCs if you do have microphones on the PCs. Now, if you've been listening to this microphone, I've got it plugged to my shirt, and I'm going to do some microphone tests. This is a test of the K8 microphone sitting an arm's length away from me, and this is how it sounds. So I am going to do a direction test of the K8 microphone. I'm speaking directly in front of the microphone, and I'm going to turn it to the side. This is speaking from the side of the microphone. I believe this is an omnidirectional microphone. This is speaking from behind the microphone, and this is how it sounds. Now I'm speaking into the green LED, and this is how it sounds. I'm speaking into the USB Type-C port, and this is how it sounds. And I'm speaking directly into the microphone again, and this is how it sounds. Let's go ahead and test out the noise reduction built into the microphone. The microphone has built-in noise reduction, and I don't think you can turn it off. What I'm going to do is put this on top of my PC, which has a fan going off, and let's see how much of it cancels out when I am talking. So I have got the microphone pointed directly at my PC. It's further away from me, it's right next to my PC, and this is how it sounds. I don't know if it's picking up any audio, but you can see if I do something on the PC, the fans go higher and they kick in more, and this is how that sounds. I have the microphone clipped to my shirt once again, and I'm going to do a typing test. Now the keyboard I have has blue switches, which are very clicky and tactile sounding, and they are very loud. Let's see if the noise reduction can remove the clicking of the keyboard. And I can talk while I am typing on the keyboard, and I don't know how much of noise reduction is going to prevent the clicking on the keyboard, but if you are planning on doing live streaming or anything, or gaming videos, I would recommend getting a much quieter keyboard, because I don't think there is anything you can do about removing the blue switches from audio. Even noise reduction is not going to help. I'm going to do a wind test to see how effective the windshield is. So I'm going to blow into the microphone. And I'm going to go ahead and put the windshield on and then blow into it again to see how it compares. The windshield is on and I'm going to blow into it. The instruction booklet says there is a reverb option, so I'm going to try that. Let's go ahead and double press the power button, and I don't know if it sounds any different. Let's have a listen to this and see how this sounds. So this is what I think about this microphone. It does have a mono input and it's not a stereo microphone. From my experience, I found that the microphone has quite a lot of audio processing going on, and it does have noise reduction. So I can have different sounds going on around me, but it's going to do noise reduction and it's going to do a really good job by cancelling all them out, and it makes it all silent. So if I show up, you won't be able to hear anything because there is simply nothing going to the audio. The audio processing seems to have a noise gate initialized. It also has noise reduction going on, and also it does have a compressor or a limiter as well. But this is for voiceovers or for somebody who just wants an improvement in the audio quality, and with it being a convenience of being a wireless microphone, this is very appealing. In my opinion, the sound is overprocessed. It does sound muffled a little bit. It doesn't sound very clear, and that is with and without the windshield. Now, if they did have an option to turn off the audio processing, then that would have been really cool, because I think you can get much clearer sound from this microphone. Considering the price, this sounds really good in my opinion. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go ahead and pick this up. I do think it's a really good option. Although the range is very small, I think compared to a wired microphone, this is definitely a big improvement, and there is audio processing going on. If you guys have any questions about this, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.